Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for events in calendar on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the calendar app. Tap on the search icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here, enter the title of the event that you are looking for. As you type, the app will show a list of matching events. Once you see the event you are looking for in the search list, tap on it to view the event details. And this is how you can search for events in calendar on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.